homeopathy for me is showing me a phenomena which I don't understand. So right now the focus is on its implications for health. We do not have as yet any theory that would explain the whole of the process. However, we do have the beginnings of a theory couched in quantum mechanics, solid, written by professionals, with people, with researchers with many years in theoretical physics, who can start to put the problem into the right mathematical framework for us to understand. When that discovery becomes common knowledge, it will find uses in medicine and will be integrated into the common palette of care for medicine and for health care in general. I was brought up in France, and in France homeopathy is very common. My grandmother used it all the time, my cousins use it all the time, and so on. So it was quite a normal thing to have. Now what happened to me is that as I was finishing my studies in theoretical physics in Cambridge, I fell ill. And the doctors basically gave up and told me, just go home, there's nothing we can do. So by that point, it started a process for me of looking around different therapies that could potentially help me. Homeopathy was one of those. And homeopathy was pretty much the only one that really helped me. And being very much into science, I started to question, well, how can that be? So that's for me started the whole process, and then went on, finished my studies, and became a professional scientist. But the question remained, and this has prompted me to study homeopathy and to create the Homeopathy Research Institute. If you look at the evidence, the primary evidence, and you just ask yourself, could I falsify all this? Are all these positive results just placebo? Are they just failures of the methodology? Then basically I came out with the conclusion, no, it's not possible. We definitely don't understand all the parameters of the phenomena, but it would be impossible for all these studies to be wrong. So therefore I say, there is something in homeopathy, we need to understand it, and that's really what drives me to really understand further, because I think we're sitting on a gold mine of interesting results for science and health.